Welcome back. Today we're doing a quick episode on how to DIY and how to clean your injectors without any special equipment. I bought this kit off Amazon. It's a fuel injector cleaning kit. It comes with these two injector inserts, and for different sized injectors, smaller one, larger one, opening on the bottom for your carb cleaner can. Just gotta pull the nozzle off, and then that little hole is where you insert into the can and press down with the injector installed. Comes with a couple different battery clips, a couple different plugs for your injectors, although I believe they messed up and sent me duplicates. I also have a permanent wire kit if you so choose. Anyway, a couple different varieties, and all you need is a battery, carb cleaner, the kit, and your injectors. Alright, let's get it going. Alright, so for my super injectors, I'm using the smaller one. Let's take the injector as is, pop it in the slot there. And I'm replacing these O-rings, so if they go bad, I'm not too worried about it. Take your plug, plugs right into the injector. Shouldn't have to force, it just slide right on. You can test to make sure it works. Hear that click? That means it's all set. So we'll take that small hole, line it up with the top of your can, hold it nice and tight or it'll shoot out on you. Press down. I like to pulsate it just like it would in the actual car, but you can hold it tight if you want to. You achieve the same result. Wow, this injector seems pretty clean. Let's do the second one while we're sitting here. Let's insert, plug in, line up the hole. This one's not leaking out the whole can. Spraying pretty good too. Alright. Easy DIY on cleaning your injectors at home without any expensive equipment. I believe I paid like $12 for this kit, and I'll send the link. Put the link in the description. Anywho, stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching.